my channel. If you're new here, I'm Danielle Naomi. So in today's video, as you can see from the title, we're gonna be doing this honey blonde wig with a twist because I did touch my roots up a bit, but it's fine because you go from black into brown into blonde and highlights and streaks and amazing. So this wig is from Nadula. They sent me a 24-inch straight lace frontal wig. It was 13 by 4. The density will be in the description box, but for right now, all you need to know is she's giving thick, she's giving body, she's giving full, she's giving sleek, she's giving everything. And if you'd like to see me do this video, just keep on watching. But before you go, I am doing a voiceover, so I explain as I go the process of how I do everything. So if you'd like to hear that, just keep on watching. Thank you so much for watching. The links will be in the description box for this wig. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. So let's just get into it. So I'm gonna just start off by cutting my lace. Usually I make a slit here, I make a slit here, or I make it down here and I cut. So I'm gonna just do that now. I'm just gonna cut these down a bit. Then we're gonna do the other side. I really don't like to see like this hump here, and that's because, you know, you haven't used a hot comb to flatten it down. So what I like to do is take my Kenra working spray. This is the spray. I like it over the Sebastian when it comes on to, you know, spraying down my top area because it works best. It's a lighter hold, so you know it'll still get the hair flat, but at the same time it's not gonna leave it as crunchy as the Sebastian would. So what I do is just spray it on the top portion of my head where there is lumps or where it's not even or flat, and I go over it with my hot comb. That helps it to get super duper flat, and we love that for sis. Seeing that my wig is 100% glueless, I'm gonna lift it and put it down for y'all, even though I just flattened that. Yeah, seeing that it's glueless, I'm gonna just start by doing my baby hairs. Going to take my flat iron, a small flat iron will do, to just curl the baby hairs. And once you curl those baby hairs, all you have to do is get your holding spray or your got to be glued gel and just lay them babies down. And yes girls, edges do take some time, so take your time with doing your edges. It could take 2 minutes, it could take 10 minutes, girl, as long as it takes. If you want your baby hairs to be nice and laid, you get them nice and laid by any means necessary. So now that the edges are laid, when I just take this excess, usually I just rub it out, rub it into the palm of my hands and place it on top of my install. I'm just gonna go back over with the camera and my hot comb for the top portion of my hair, just to make sure that it's nice and flat for the one time. And I'm gonna just ensure that the hairs are in front of my face and not behind my ear.